Hello again, guys. Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers who contributed to this journey. I have arrived at the 1,000 subscribers. So I couldn't have done this without you guys, without your likes, without your clicks, without your comments, without your shares. We're still on our journey to reaching the 4,000 watch hours, but I have to say a big thank you to all of you who clicked that subscription button and helps me to reach the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I hope that you continue on this journey with me as we elevate ourselves to higher heights. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little tour of my hotel room in Hangzhou, because I spent a few days in Hangzhou to see the Dragon Boat race and to see other places around. Went to Shishi Lake, did my boat tour, and back home. It was a short vacay. But again, I want to say thank you guys. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best and continue watching. Coffee will do.
Okay.
Only coffee. Oh, I ordered? I did it already?
Glasses for you. Because it's very cheap.
Ah.
If the glasses will get broken or something like that, you won't be able.
Yeah. I want to get a heart attack.
Yeah, that's what I want to say.
Ay, ay, ay. Hi. Thank you. Alright, so we have arrived. Z.
I will go to take a taxi.
Oh,
This is so.
Where is the exit?
Where is the living space? The living place. Where is the living place? Hotel.
Oh.
Where's your hotel?
my hotel is
对，自学。
I
杭
guess
州东站自学 holiday.
in
Yeah. And
Wow,
the
that's
location,
amazing.
the location is 777.
Huh?
The location, where is the location? Yeah, so it's 777. Hangzhou East Road. Yes, yes. It's about 1.1 kilometers.
Hello.
This direction.
So here we are, guys. I have arrived at my hotel. Hopefully everything will go smoothly. see a beautiful design on the wall behind the bed. Look at this. Bye. Morning, everybody. So this is my morning, and as promised, I'm showing you the outside. So this is what I was talking about. I have two windows that I can open apart from the large window that I have and prefer, because